Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add sizes to your products here at WooCommerce. So first of all, we have to navigate ourselves at a product that we have as a category in the left sidebar of our WooCommerce workspace. In here we should add sizes. So what do we have as an option for sizes? Basically everything that we in here. So pop our heavyweight hooded sweatshirt in the red. This is an item that was already pre-created here at WooCommerce. So here we are. Okay, so regular price is $120. With an oversized fit and fluff inside, this hooded sweatshirt is able for informal settings, lounging and post-workout. Okay, that maybe fits, but we have a couple of other options in here as well. So it's inventory, it's shipping, linked products, attributes, advanced add-ons, and exactly at attributes we want to really stick ourselves. So we have to add a new attribute. So it's gonna be size. Enter some descriptive text, use this sign to separate different values. Okay, so we are going with S. Then we are at the blog, hopefully what they meant. M as a medium, L as large, XL as extra large, and XXL double large, and we can go with 3XL for big dudes. So just like that, we can save the attribute. You see, we have size with a couple of options: S, M, L, XL, XXL, and 3XL. That's something that is really, really nice, really, really beautiful. And that's it. Once we are done with editing, all we have to do is click on update, and we are updating the product. So once we go to the product and all products, yep. So we have it in stock. It's $120 for men and women, and it's underneath the new arrivals. And yeah. We can't really see, as I can see, we can't really see the options, but believe me, they are there. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.